Alright, well, I guess we'll try another start this time. Injectors have been rebuilt with new caps and seals. Everything has been reinstalled. I flow tested them with one of these cheap deals just to flush through to make sure all the ports were open. They're open. I used carb cleaner with that. Let's see if it will actually start. Fuel rail's empty. It may take a few cranks to get pressure back up in there. Get the injectors and everything full. I do have another throttle position sensor on order. That one looks okay from testing though, so I think we're okay. Let's check the Tech 2. Oops. I'll reset it doesn't have a turbo, but I've reset everything anyway. Make sure it has a good baseline. Okay, well, I'll try cranking it again. Guess I get to wait for the battery to charge up again. It's gotta be fuel. I'm still thinking that it is this here, come on, get up out of there. This evap. I do believe that that is the problem. Flows both ways, which is not good. And I did try plugging up this vacuum leak to see if it would start, and that didn't make a difference either, so I'm gonna have to do something there with that. And it rolled all the way over to the back of the car. I guess we'll try again tomorrow after the battery has a chance to charge up and trickle charge really well tonight. So I triggered the fuel pump relay from the Tech 2 over here, and I heard the pump sucking air, so I think that might have been, it said I had 1/8 of a tank, but apparently that means empty. So basically you gotta activate pump relay. Activate. And you should just hear it pulling in and then returning fuel back, and that flushes out the whole circuit, pressurizes the lines and everything. So let's see what we get now and if it'll start. I have plugged up, this is a evap, I think it's the smog pump, secondary air injection, the SAA. Has a one-way valve on it, that's failing, so I'm just gonna plug the vacuum leak up for the time being. Once again, the battery fails me. Time for a new battery. This one, I get maybe 1.5 minutes of cranking before it goes dead. Time for a new battery. Well, that sounds better. I still have 4 new tappets for number 4. I probably will install those anyway. Now the fan finally turned on. Doesn't look like it's the oxygen sensor. It possibly could be the throttle position sensor, but the resistor readings look good across pins 1 and 3. Injectors are fine, from that I could tell. Compression's good. I mean, I don't know where to go now but the computer. I have another one that I got off eBay, not saying that that one's good or not, but I think I may flash 1313 on that, 430 1313, which is the part number that came on this non-turbo 5-speed with no traction control. And see if that one idles better. Everything in the data stream looked good. I don't understand why it's surging.